organization, and one of the things I want to talk about as we begin to reload the space is magazines, books, media. Everybody's got a lot of this. We all have a lot of this. I think there's a statistic I heard, about 50,000 books per year are published in the U.S. alone. It does not include magazines. I can't imagine how many actual magazines there are. It's hard to keep track of. Lots of them don't last for a few months. If you really believe that there's no good information in magazines, and I can't really help you, everyone who takes the time to write something like this has something important to say. The hundreds and hundreds of thousands of people out there have great advice for you. Real estate, finance, anything you can imagine, and that doesn't even include the stuff that your hobby is. That's the general stuff for all of us. There's just no way to keep up with everything every wise person out there, every expert in their field has to say. So you have to pick and choose. For instance, the magazines, you got to give yourself a rule. If you have more than 3 or 4 subscriptions, you'll never actually read everything. And it's too bad, because I know there's great information in there, but we have to be willing to let go of that information. This one is from May 2007. Now, if we still have it, we haven't read it yet. It's 7 months old. We have 6 months newer information to be able to get that out there. If you have anything more than 3 months old, there's just no need to keep it, because we don't have time to go backwards in time and catch up on information. There's a couple of key things we can try to learn, but we can't know everything. So you have to be willing to let go of this stuff after a few months. If you haven't gotten to it, you're not going to get to it. Get rid of it. Anything more than 3 months, whatever it is, there's just no time to catch up. And it's going to be the same thing with our books and our audio.